I am absolutely rolling because I fully prepared today. Sunscreen, gonna wear a hat for us to be in 98-degree weather outside, and I just found out that the Broncos are gonna be practicing inside. So there's that. We are also back to everybody meeting outside of the gates.
Oh yeah, second one. Second level where they have the media sitting, and he's just laughing.
95% of the trades that Sean Payton has made in his career were identified as easy. However, there's 5% that weren't so easy. And wide receiver Devon Vele was not one of the easy trades for Sean Payton. However, when they found out that they could be getting a 4th round pick for it, they knew it was pretty much a done deal.